For those who love Allah, people remember you when they need you, but Allah is always with you. A heart connected to Allah never feels alone. The most beautiful place in the world is the sujood, where a person feels close to their Lord. Not every pain is healed by people. Sometimes prayer is the cure. Life is short. Spend it in prayers, not in sins. When Allah is with you, no one leaving you can truly hurt you. Those who ask Allah during the nights never return empty-handed. Prayer is not just an obligation, it is peace for the heart. Success is not only wealth, it is also the pleasure of Allah. A person who trusts Allah is never helpless. Peace of heart is neither in wealth nor fame, but in the remembrance of Allah. Sometimes silence is the greatest advice. The world exhausts you, but the Quran gives peace. What is written in your destiny can never miss you. Take one step towards Allah, and He will open doors for you. Time passes, but good deeds remain forever. Ease always comes after hardship. Avoiding sins is also an act of worship. Allah loves the heart that is soft towards others. Life becomes beautiful when your connection with Allah is strong. The love of this world is temporary, but Allah's love is eternal. Worry less about this world and more about the hereafter. Sujood brings a person closest to Allah. The one who learns patience learns how to live. Allah may delay, but He never ignores. Prayer can change destiny. Allah honors the one who forgives others. Prayers made in the loneliness of the night are never wasted. The Quran is not only for reading, but also for understanding. True happiness lies in the pleasure of Allah. The most beautiful moment in life is when the heart remembers Allah. The one who fears Allah fears no one else. Connect yourself with your Lord, and life will start feeling easier. People change, but Allah always remains the same. Allah's plans are always better than our expectations. What has been written for you will surely reach you. Despair comes from Shaitan. Hope comes from Allah's mercy. Not everyone is beautiful, but good character makes everyone beautiful. A heart filled with Allah's love never feels empty. Share your secrets with Allah, not with people. Before leaving prayer, remember that Allah never leaves you. The path to closeness with Allah goes through sujood. The one who learns gratitude never remains poor. Believe in Allah. Miracles still happen. Do not lose yourself in the crowd of this world. Remember Allah. Even silent prayers reach Allah. You may gain everything in life, but without Allah, there is no peace. Decorate your life with prayer, and peace will follow. Allah knows every silent pain in your heart. The true beauty of life lies in good character and the love of Allah.